All right, Nathan. So this is lesson information for 6/1, 2018. Big thing with the snare piece is just really attention to detail. Make sure you're playing the dynamics correctly, getting in the weeds and counting the fast surface rhythms correctly. And the triplets, one lolly, use that as a subdivision. That should help. All right. And particularly the second line is just really need to count that accurately. For some reason, you're adding to, stretching, not counting that accurately. I would maybe just write the counts in. You'd be surprised when you play with an orchestra sometimes, and I'll have quarter notes and quarter rests, and you'll see me write write in counts sometimes in the music because I need to make, because for whatever reason I'm counting it wrong, or I'm not really totally on top of it and comfortable with it, so I write those in. And part of it is saying it to yourself while you're playing it, but part of it is also making very clear visually in which of the subdivisions of the eighth note you're actually playing, or I should say which subdivisions, which beats you're actually playing, because you're playing eighth notes as the beat, counting them as the beat, right? On the keyboard piece, read and really meticulously work out your stickings for the last two lines before you memorize them. Review the three lines before that for the sticking things and note things that we corrected today, or sticking things we settled, and note issues. There weren't very many, but they're enough to really want to go back and try to do that if you could today. If not today, then maybe as soon as possible. Even if you do it mentally at home tomorrow. Airplay the instrument so that you reinforce what we talked about today. And then watch your roll speed and the connection and timing of the rolls in the section right before that, sort of the middle, right? And then the opening, just keep perfecting.